December 9th, 2019, 11:13 p.m. And my husband's out here on the dirt road. And just to see, riding dirt roads, spend time, quality time, just seeing what we see. Let's check this out. There's some kind of paranormal activity all in the air. And it's coming down on everything. And I really don't know how to explain it, but it's like you can see it happening, but you can't see the actual whatever it is. But you can see it, the patterns and stuff showing up. And this isn't on just our roads, it's on the roads, it's in the grass, trees. But yeah. You can see it in the air, look at that.